Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how to restart or reset your Ring Pro doorbell. I have this doorbell for about almost 2 years now, and recently it has been acting kind of ridiculous. My wireless access point is actually only 10 feet away from here, and everything is so slow. Every time somebody ring the doorbell, we go to the Ring app, we want to see who it is. It takes 20-30 seconds just to show a live view, or try to communicate with that person. By that time, the person's already gone, and it has been complaining about not getting connection and all kinds of issues. So what we're going to do is first remove this cover, and to remove this cover, you just simply use your fingernails, just kind of pry it on all sides, and then it just kind of pop out. It's easier, I think, prying it from the top. Once you've done that, next thing is that you locate this button on the right hand side, and then press it for about 10 seconds. It's gonna the front button should turn blue, indicating that it's doing reset. Okay, well, this time it didn't turn blue. Okay, let's let it go. That should be resetting right now. Okay, so it should be booting up to what they call setup mode. Okay, so since I already have a Ring app, what I'm going to do is go to that particular camera or doorbell, and then go to setting. I go to device health, and then I go to change Wi-Fi network, and that's gonna go to a wizard to reconnect the device. So press it. It says here, press and release small button. Oh, small button on the side, sorry. So again, you press and release this button right here.
Ring doorbell is in setup mode.
And it says Ring doorbell is in setup mode. It spins like that. I guess you continue. Do you want to join? Yes. So we're joining the Wi-Fi signal that is being broadcast here. Okay, let's try it again. Yes. Okay.
Ring doorbell is connected to the Ring app.
Okay. Do you want to connect to
Ring
Wi-Fi?
doorbell is connecting to the internet.
Okay, now it's connected to the internet.
Rome wasn't built in a day.
He's making a joke that I heard before every time. Okay.
Your Ring doorbell is ready
All right.
to go.
So now it's ready to go.
Always home.
And here's the problem here. The RSSI is always red, and it's below, I think below 60 is always going to turn red. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there. Yeah. Anyways, let's give it a try. See if this works better. Tap to go live. Yep, it's definitely faster. So I guess resetting it does make it work better. Wow. Okay. How about that? Yeah, I don't know what's wrong, why it was causing this problem, but it's definitely much faster now. Go to dashboard. So let me shut down the app. Turn it over again. There. Click on it. Go live. Wow, that was much faster. All right. Hopefully it keeps working and doesn't get slower and slower over time. So hopefully this video has been helpful, and if it is and it helps you, please give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.